Hey there, guys. Welcome to Imperial Gardens 16 box SP Authentic 3052. Sorry about the wait here. So, current date and time, it is Thursday, July 7th at 1:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 4:32 p.m. Eastern Time. We are live on Breakers. Just pause that for a little better stream quality. Live on YouTube. And, of course, for anyone who hasn't stopped by our break site, there we do have another random team break coming up shortly here. And for anyone who hasn't joined our Facebook group, you'll find us there as well. And the team buys for tonight here, or for this break, Mar Somerville going down to Darren. And the Penguins Pittsburgh Steel going down to Arlia with the Jets. So, appreciate again everyone for watching and joining. And of course, for anyone who hasn't done any breaks with us in the past here. First few minutes here, open all the packs here. Then we'll go through everything together. So then we're just going to pop open both of the... We're going to pop open both inners here. Stacked up, so mom just keeps ripping. Joe lives very dangerously there, Rob. Okay, so I'll start off on this first one while mom is helping out with customers right now. Good luck, everyone. Thanks again. 3052. No, Adam Fox and Igor Shesterkin.
Yeah, but no, what's the rookie there? What's that rookie there?
This year? Alexei Lafreniere.
Lafreniere, that's it.
Yeah, Makar's canvas is in Series 1 and his Canada POE is in 1 and his remaining young guns in number 2. Okay, here we go, guys. You got moments, Zach Parise. Got a Jack Eichel leaders. He is Buffalo in all this product. Mark Giordano, the Flames. Eaton on it, but yeah. Sign the Times, John Tavares for Toronto. Carter Hart. Matt Tkachuk. Top performers, Miro Heiskanen. Tim Stützle. Dave Yael. And Carey Price. And Moments, Connor McDavid. Oh, sorry, those are just advertisement slash new shipping decoys for me. Ooh, no patch. Red, Alex Tuck. Going out to Vegas. Ryan Getzlaf. Spectrum FX, Tyler Benson. And update, Future Watch Auto, Rhett Gardner at $9.99. John Klingberg. Austin Matthews. Seth Jones, and a Brady Tkachuk gold for the Sens out of 100. Spectrum FX, Dylan Larkin. Spectrum FX, Sidney Crosby. Spectrum FX, Keandre Miller. And Feature Watch Auto, Carter Verhaeghe at a $9.99. Sidney Crosby. Matt Murray. Keith Yandel for the Panthers. Yanni Hakanpää for the Ducks. Sign the Times, Daryl Sittler for Toronto. Dustin Brown. Joe Pavelski. John Klingberg. Ryan Suter. Eric Stahl. And Nick Foligno for the Blue Jackets. Moments, Joe Thornton. Cale Makar. Alexis Lafreniere. Claude Giroux. Victor Olofsson. Spectrum FX, Sidney Crosby. Spectrum FX, Vitek Vanacek. Ryan McLeod out of $9.99. Performers, Bobby Orr. Kyle Palmieri. Connor McDavid Retro in Elias Pettersson out of 100 for Vancouver. Leon Retro. Austin Matthews Moments. Philip Gruber. Did we miss something there? No. Alright, so we'll see. Make sure we get two autos on this one. Looks like I'm missing a insert. Stammer. Alright, so we got a hit pack with no cards in it. So we got McLeod auto ready, which just make sure we get a second auto there. Travis Konechny. Or could have been with the double hit pack there. And Brent Burns auto for the Sharks. To get both autos going to Will. Quinn Hughes Limited. Alexander Barkov. Bo Horvat. Celebrated Moments, Braden Point. Ryan Dzingel. Spectrum FX PLD. Spectrum Kevin Lankinen with a little rounded corner on the spectrum. John Leonard for the Sharks. Ryan O'Reilly. John Gibson. Martin Jones for the Sharks. And Kevin Lankinen, 75 out of 999. And Future Watch Inscription, Anthony Angelo, 19 out of 999. Joe. Patrice Bergeron. Mr. Bergie. Mitch Marner. Moments, Alex Ovechkin. Zach Werenski. Dougie Hamilton. Alex Pietrangelo. Celebrate Moments, Quinn Hughes. Victor Hedman. Moments, Kirill Kaprizov. Anders Lee. And John Carlson. Got Tyler Toffoli for LA. Connor McDavid. Alex Tuck for Vegas. Pekka Rinne. Dylan Larkin. Patrice Bergeron Retro. John Tavares. Alex Ovechkin. Austin Matthews. And another gold, Patrice Bergeron. 100. Moments, Joe Pavelski. Depending on which one, they'll be in sleeves when they get shipped though, Josh. Like the regular inserts won't be in sleeves though, but the regular Future Watches will get them done afterwards. Nick Robertson. Mark Stone. Retro. Yeah, Peter Bondra, Sign of the Times. Yeah, we always try sleeving all the autos along the way though. You got John Tavares for the Leafs. Carter Hart. Spectrum, Quinn Hughes. And Brock Besser for Vancouver. And Retro, Igor Sharangovich. 102 out of 399. Mike Cobra. Ryan Suter for the Wild. Looks like the acetate coming up, guys. Brady Tkachuk. And acetate going out to the Winnipeg Jets. Mikhail Berdine. Going to Arlia, 72-36. Nice. Acetate, Quinn Hughes. Spectrum, Nathan McKinnon. Yakov Slavin for the Carolina Hurricane. Future Watch Update Auto, Joe Pearson. Hutu. And Cameron Hillis, Inscription. He put his, looks like Twitter or Instagram handle at Cam_Hillis. It's like, put an inscription. And he'll give you his social media handle. Brainpoint. Zach Walensky. Moments, Tim Stutzla. POD for the Jets. Philip Grubauer. Andre Vasilevsky. Moments, Zach Parise. Kyle Palmieri. Celebrate Moments, Steven Stamkos. And Roman Josi. And John Gibson. Celebrate Moments, Connor McDavid. Alex Ovechkin. Dustin Brown. And Future Watch Patch Auto up retro. 75/99. We got Timothy Liljegren. Surprised they didn't do at least 100 of them. Going to League Player. Rasmus Dahlin. Matt Murray for the Sens. Jordan Stahl. Evgeny Malkin. Ryan Suter retro. Mark Giordano. Moments, Kirill Kaprizov. John Tavares. Moments, Quinn Hughes. Miro Heiskanen. Alex Ovechkin. Spectrum FX, Roman Josi. And John Leonard for the Sharks. And Mr. Joe Hoffer, 444 out of 999. On a brine. Could be a sleeper goalie. Mitch Marner for Toronto. Roman Josi. Brady Tkachuk. Spectrum, Tuukka Rask. Spectrum FX, Dylan Coghlan. Future Watch Auto, Nikolai Nizov. And Future Watch Patch Auto, Alexander Romanov. Out of 100. GS Hockey. Kopi. Braden Point. And Celebrated Moments, Braden Point. Jonathan Drouin. Rasmus Dahlin. Brent Burns. Celebrated Moments, Bohm Byram. POD. Alex Ovechkin. Alexander Barkov. And Dylan Larkin. Two RPAs for sure. We had two in one of the last ones too there, Aaron. So definitely not out of the picture. Or out of the ordinary. Steven Stamkos. Limited Matt Tkachuk. Darcy Kemper. And Bohm Byram on the 500 retro. Alex Pietrangelo. Tyler Toffoli. Brock Besser. Spectrum Tyler Seguin. Future Watch Kiefer Bellows. Future Watch Morgan Geeky. John Klingberg. Anthony Mata. Pekka Rinne. Moments Joe Pavelski. Anders Lee. Ryan O'Reilly. And Chase Prisky, 28/99 with his social media handle as well. Mark Giordano. Nico Hischier. Jonathan Huberdeau for Florida. Matt Sundin. Connor McDavid. Carter Hart. Leon Draisaitl. Alex Tuck. Ryan Dzingel. Alex Tuck again. Michael DiPietro for Vancouver. Spectrum Quinn Hughes. Austin Matthews retro. Eric Stahl and retro Ilya Sorokin. Moments Braden Point. Mark Stone. Bohm Byram. Alexander Barkov. Connor McMichael, 196 out of 999. And a black Sign of the Times, 18 of 49. Brayden Schenn. 2019 champs. And a black base auto, Brock Besser. On Elevations. Jeff. Nice auto, or nice box of black autos. Dougie Hamilton. Mark Giordano. Celebrate Moments, Kirill Kaprizov. And a black base auto, Connor Hellebuyck. Arlia. The Jets. Nice one. And a update, Kirby Dach, Future Watch auto. Going out to J10 Sports Cards. That's in there. And how about a black Future Watch? Wow, what's going on here? Nicholas Boudin. I don't know if these ones are going to be same rumors as before. It should be 10 or less of those. Igor Shesterkin. Moments, Kirill Kaprizov. 4 blacks already. A lot of them in multiple boxes. Victor Hedman. Roman Josi. Nico Hischier. This one was a very solid box. You get a Doc update auto with 2 black autos in there. Travis Konechny. Dominique Kubalik. Vitaly Krivtsov. Our Rangers. Alex Ovechkin. Jordan Stahl. Nick Schmaltz. Moments, Quinn Hughes. And Connor McDavid. You got the Blackhawks in this one there, Josh. Anders Lee. John Tavares. Martin Jones for the Sharks. Good thing you can rewind the PBR on the break here. Mika Zibanejad. Brett Hall. Moments, Connor McDavid. Andrei Sevechnikov and Jonathan Drouin. 100. Putting that box, Jong ETB, Duhol. Victor Hedman. And Jason Robertson, level 2 Spectrum FX bounty. John Klingberg. And Zach Parise. John Carlson. Brandon Gallagher. Moments, Tim Stützle. Nick Foligno, Manyukio. Yeah. Keandre Miller. Manyukio. And Sign the Times, Adam Fox. Going to NY. And Mitch Marner. Andre Vasilevsky for Tampa. Kevin Ball, $9.99 for the Devils. Connor. Spectrum, Tim Stutzla. And Shane Bowers out of $9.99 for Colorado. And Jonas Johansson for the Sabres. Carey Price. SP Performers, Wayne Gretzky. Seth Jones. Connor Hellebuck. Sidney Crosby. And True Leaders, Sidney Crosby. Celebrate Moments, Steven Stamkos. And Max Pacioretty. Claude Giroux. Ryan Getzlaf. Pekka Rinne. Bo Horvat. And Colton Parayko. Those and finish up with the last 3 boxes on this case, guys. Box 14. Matt Sundin for Toronto. This is another acetate. Limited Leon Draisaitl. Get too excited. And a acetate Future Watch for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Cal Foot. Nice hit. Lightning. Lightning going out to Paul Peanut. Nick Suzuki. Spectrum Mark Stone. And Oliver Bjorkstrand. The Blue Jackets. And Future Watch update, Sam Lafferty. The Penguins going out to Joe on that one. And Moments, Brain Point. Alex Ovechkin. Elias Pettersson. Moments, Alexi Lafreniere. Limited Ryan Dzingel. Brad Marchand. True Leaders, Jordan Staal. Celebrate Moments, Austin Matthews. RNH. And a black sign of the times, 15 of 25. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, inscribe the Nuge. Or the Noogie. Just kidding. The Nuge. Connor McDavid. And Yanni Gord. Box 15. Patrice Bergeron, leader. Eric Stahl. Buffalo. Kyle Connor. Spectrum FX, Sebastian Aho. Spectrum FX, Mikey Anderson. And retro Ty Smith at $3.99. And Sign of the Times 4 of 5 black Steven Stamkos. Stammer. And a Paul, Mr. Peanut. Nice couple of back-to-back boxes here. Kale Makar. Tuvo Terravine. Stammer moments. Mark Stone. And Anthony Mantha. Kopi. Moments, Pekka Rinne. Matt Zuccarello. Moments, Tyler Toffoli. SP Performers, Alexi Lafreniere. And Bo Horvat. On to box 16 on this one, guys. Brent Burns for the Sharks. Moments, John Klingberg. No patch in this half so far, though. Jordan Stahl for the Canes. Joe Pavelski for the Stars. Limited, Keith Yandel. Nathan McKinnon. And here's our patch. Going out to Vegas, Gage Quinney. Number 94 of 100. Gage Quinney going to Gretzky 99.66. Victor Olofsson. Jack Eichel for Buffalo. Spectrum, John Tavares. And Marncott for Colorado. And final stack here. And Future Watch Update Auto, Otto Kavula. Alexander Barkov. Joe Pavelski. Jack Hughes Retro. Joe Thornton Moments for San Jose. Mr. Jumbo Joe. Mark Giordano. And finishing up with Brent Burns. Base. So there we have it, guys. So that concludes this break here. We got 3053 coming